All these 5 brackets were broken, and I have repaired a frame and strung with the different kind of strings. This one is this racket has BG65 titanium main and BG80 power at the cross. This one is like 22 by 24. This one is broken from here. Here is the repairing. This one is 24 by 26 with BG65 string. This one was broken from here. The string tension is 24 by 26 and the string is BG65. This one was broken from here. Tension is 27 by 29 and the string is 100 string 66 and this one was broken from here and tension is 27 by 29 and 100 string with 100. So you can hear the tension. This one is 27 by 29. This one is 27 by 29. This one is 24 by 26. This one is 24 by 26. And this one is 22 by 24. All rackets are now fully functional and can be played with feather cork as well as plastic shuttle. So guys, this was my journey from broken frame to fully repaired and fully gutted badminton racket. Thanks for watching, everybody.